Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to delete Facebook account. So let's start. It's very easy. So first let's go to our main menu here on the right side, then just scroll down and let's go to settings and privacy. Here on settings and privacy, just select settings and then let's go to account center. Just click here and then just click here on personal details. Okay, just click here and then just click on account ownership and control. Then just click here on the second option that says deactivation or deletion and select the account that you prefer to delete. And we have two options that says deactivate profile and we have delete profile. If you deactivate the profile, this is temporary and you can recover anytime that you prefer. But if you prefer delete the profile, this is permanently and so you can't recover anymore. So whatever you prefer to delete your account, if you prefer deactivate it or delete it. So let's check deactivate it and just continue, and you have to click here on your password. Write your password and press continue to deactivate your Facebook account, as well as the same tips are for delete your account on Facebook. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.